Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I am so excited to tell you all about this pet brush from Pat Your Pet. It is incredible. Look at the material that it's made out of. This is not one that's going to break on you. It's got this wonderful handle with grippies on it, so even if you're really going at it and trying to get the undercoat of your dog, you don't have to worry about this slipping out of your hands. I also love that it's got these circular claws on it, so it's not going to hurt your pet even if you are trying to get the undercoat. This is my beautiful Paisley. She's such a good girl. And you can see here that I'm going kind of rough at brushing her, and her tail is still waggling. It's not harming her at all. She actually really enjoys it. And even when I'm combing her rough areas around her neck where it gets all tangled and matted there and she gets burrs in there, I can really work it and it's not hurting her at all. I love that this pet brush has two sides. One side is for getting out burrs and knots and troubled spots, and the other is for getting the undercoat. And you can see there just in a few minutes of brushing how much we got off. I also love that I can use this on my cat. You can see there the fur that's coming off of it, and he absolutely loved it. Look at that stretch of bliss. Please get my tummy, Mom. He is in love with this thing. So if you're looking for a new pet brush, you have found it.
And that's my point of view.